A couple days ago, I was working on a X3 that we had, G-body. We had to do engine mounts on it. And this one had just started to fail, but I thought it would be good to show you guys what these things are made out of. But basically, it's an engine mount that's liquid filled, and there's like a rubber diaphragm inside, and then all the fluid leaks out, and then you get these nasty stains on everything. But basically, all of their mounts now, or well, not all of them, but a majority of their mounts are liquid filled, such as their transfer case mount, like on this car, that has failed. But you can see this one had leaked out the fluid too and drained over there. So we're gonna put a new one in. Keep everything, holds the drivetrain in line, keeps everything centered and aligned properly. Yeah, the G-bodies are starting to roll their way through, so. But this is a super common failure point on all the, especially the X3s and X5s for whatever reason. They seem like they fail the most, but even the new 3 Series, these are going bad. I've seen them fail at 60 and I've seen them fail at 100. So I don't think there's a rhyme or reason to it.
How would someone know? The ride, they get a check engine?
On the X3s and X5s, when you start the car, the engine bounces. It goes, like it has a really hard start.
Yeah.
And the engine like vibrates and you can feel it in the car. Yeah.
I can only imagine that happening in my, what feels like brand new, just came out BMW. Oh my goodness. That's crazy, man. It doesn't matter.
It's wild.
Stuff fails.
Especially rubber and liquid filled components.
Whoa, who is this guy? He just got 10% smarter.
When was the last time I wore glasses with you?
Man, I ain't never. Oh, you were driving an X3 looking like.
I should be wearing glasses.
You know, you.
Oh yeah, the old tech video, the backup assistant video.
Yeah. Oh,
I'm nearsighted, so I should be wearing glasses.
We don't got smooth brain Dan today. We got wrinkle brain.
I'm not cool. I'm not cool like Sean and Dave and get LASIK.
Cool.
How long ago did you get LASIK?
5 years, I think.
Hold on, Sean is just cool because of the beard.
Yeah. It is looking good. He looks like Ewan McGregor.
Yeah.
Look at this guy. Look at this.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking about.
No, just look forward. Look forward, like off to the side, right here. Got him.
I haven't gotten that before. It's the guy from American Sniper. I've been told.
Or Bradley Cooper. Not Bradley Cooper. Bradley Cooper's a governor. Bradley Cooper. What do we got here?
M Roadster.
M Roadster.
Another M Roadster. Dan sold this one.
I sold this one a couple years ago. Nick, the man, he's got a sweet X5 on a set of OZs. As you know, we love these guys. They have the S54, but they are not without the Vanos and rod bearing issues. So Sean just replaced the connecting rod bearings. I sold it to him with just a hair over 100,000 miles, somewhere around the 112 to 115 mark, if I remember. He's now got somewhere between 116 and 120, so call it 118,000 miles. As far as we know, these are the original bearings. And as you can see, you have some copper showing on some of those areas. Sean threw in a set of ARP bolts, ACL Race Series bearings. He's getting ready to put the pan and everything back up, and then we'll follow along with the 1,000-mile break-in procedure that BMW recommends. He'll come back for another oil service after that break-in, and then he can then enjoy the car. Really clean, almost done with it, 118,000-mile bearings. The 2003 E46 M3 6-speed. 3 previous owners. Last gentleman who's had it is owner number 2 and 3. He's had it for about 18 years. It's now sold. It's a 2003 OG 6-speed, 92,000 mile carbon black on gray. We posted this one a few weeks ago. It's now gone. This one sold for just a hair above 29,000. Gentleman lives local, has had over 26 different BMWs. Again, going into well-deserving hands. So we're happy to see that. Before it leaves, we're going to be tackling the rod bearing, pan gasket, some cooling system components, performing a valve adjustment, and some other items. So I'm happy to see this one gone. That's our carbon black E46 M3. We need another one. If you got an E46 M3 for sale, give us a shout. We can help you sell it, or we can give you a buy it now price. It's windy. Tech highlight, because we're getting, dude, there's a cop behind us. Yeah. Why every time you get in a car with me, dude?
Just pull somebody over.
Jay, every time.
He's bloodthirsty.
Oh, I'm gonna get me one today. Oh, yeah.
most of our G-body cars, whether it's a 3 or an X, whatever chassis, has the driving assistance package. So what is it? Let's go. It's right here. There's a button there with a green circle. That's all you need to know. What it is it's a, think of it as a tech package. It's a intelligent safety tech package. So yep, you've got blind spot warning right there. On some models, you have a lane keep assist. So you'll have a actual camera up in the windshield that will read the lines in the road. If you start to veer, it will intervene and turn the steering wheel back towards the middle. I personally find it pretty annoying on that regard. But don't worry, if you hit that center dash button, you can choose frontal collision warning, lane departure warning, blind spot. You can alternate and configure an individual mode so you can turn these options on and off. Sean and a lot of others, as soon as they get in, the first thing they do is turn the active steering off, lane departure assist, all that. What you need to know is that if you do need driving assistance, there is a semi-autonomous version called Driving Assistance Professional, which has active cruise control, driving assistance package options, plus sort of like a semi-autonomous driving. We've got a couple customers with 5 Series who do long commutes that have bought professional packages from us with Executive, and they are fantastic. But that is what encompasses the driving assistance package. It's also one of the main reasons why cars and insurance have become so expensive, because when you get into a fender bender, all of this expensive beep needs to be replaced. Do you need it? I don't want it. I want blind spot. That's it. We're in the Genesis GV80, which has the semi-autonomous driving, and I'm in a right lane, right, Jay? And it's sensing the dotted line in the left side. But the right lane, there was a turn lane with a driveway, and the car literally just went, I'm out. Hard right, almost into the curb if I didn't intervene. So I don't know. I don't think the technology's there. What do you think?
If you are sleepy, turn that bad boy on. You need to pull over.
What type of driver are you? Do you like all these intelligent safety features? Do you like a car that can be semi-autonomous and have active cruise control? What do you think? If you've driven one, what model have you driven? Did you like it? What did you not like about it? Tell us down in the comments.
Was it intrusive?
Dave, with your Tesla self-driving, not allowed, don't comment. We know where you are. So let's talk about buying a car out of state. So, good gosh, what kind of crazy devil satanic music is this?
Just flip the switch on us right there.
Yeah, that's the music your parents didn't want you to listen to. Out of state buying. So let's say you found your dream car, but it's in a different state. For the sake of private party versus dealership, it is for sale by a dealer. The salesman should know about the vehicle, or at the very least, they should be able to research and get the answers for you. Sometimes, in the case of today's world, you may know more than the salesman thanks to the internet. Make the salesman work for it. Make him take a whole bunch of walk-around videos like we do. Send him a list of things you want to see. Tires, tread depth, brake pad measurements, last time the oil was changed, so on and so forth. Give me walk-around videos showing the inside, outside of the car. Point out all the good and the bad. Anyway, once you found the vehicle, you're confident in the dealer that you're buying from, check their reputation online. Google reviews are a really good way to vet out the good from the bad. Build a relationship with the salesman should want to build a relationship with you. From there, if you are going to be flying in, obviously be prepared. If you're looking to negotiate or seal a deal, come prepared. Nothing upsets a salesman more than somebody who wants to come to the negotiating table, but they don't have their ducks in the row and they're not ready to buy that day. Your presence is your leverage. That's the power. If you're buying remotely, most dealers, because of COVID, have gotten their process down as far as electronically signing documents and sending the title back and forth. Anyway, you should get a temp tag from the dealership. So when the car arrives to you, like when we send a car out, the temp tag is written that day before the car is loaded up onto the truck. If you're using a transporter or using the dealership as their own transport broker, there's a lot of crime going on in transportation services right now. Is the car going to be able to be tracked? Have they vetted the transporter? Do they have their DOT verification, insurance, etc., etc.? When the transporter shows up, ask the dealership to take a photo of the driver's license, the truck, the trailer, the license plate, get their direct cell phone number, ask them for a walk-around video before the car gets loaded up. All of these things we do in-house. Last but not least, when the car does arrive, check it over, make sure there's no damage during transport. That's a good process for getting a car from out of state. Ask the right questions, do your research, make the dealership work for the deal. Last but not least, if you are worried about or hesitant buying a car sight unseen, put a deposit down when you feel comfortable. Buy a plane ticket. Plane ticket could be $300 to $500 depending on where it is for a round trip. That's cheap insurance. If you fly somewhere into Raleigh, we'll take you out, go get some barbecue, and you have a really good road trip back.
Wow.
So yeah, we do it all the time. Out of state buying, some tips there. Get as much info as you can on the vehicle. If the dealership themselves are not responsive or you don't feel like they're investing a lot of time into you, might be someone to stay away from. But do your due diligence, make sure they have a good reputation, they've serviced the vehicle, they send you a whole bunch. Uh-oh, this one's got gesture control.
Oh.
But yeah, that's the out-of-state buying process. When you buy from us, you simply wire funds to us or overnight a check. We have a couple different transportation resources that allow us to track your vehicle in real time so we know where it is. And we send a ton of videos for you.